So you see two things. One, a blue tire, that is our vision. It's really the long-term solution. It's the assembly of 4 pillars of strategic research for us. Airless, tire with no pressure inside. Sustainable materials, connected solutions, and a thread that you can recharge with a 3D printer. So those are the 4 axes of research that we are working on. It's a dream, but we think it's a dream we can achieve, because all of those are projects that we are working on. And what we show on the other side is the first pillar of those research axes. It's the airless solution, and it's called the prototype UPTIS. It has been shown the first time at Moving On Summit in Montreal this year, in June, and it's a tire without pressure inside. It's a revolution because it's really something that we have been able to improve for the last 130 years that we work on tires. We have been able to improve every performance of the tire. Braking distance, rolling resistance, longevity, except one, which is resistant to puncture and damage. So this is the first solution that fully achieves a complete solving of the problem of puncture. So it has been achieved by completely thinking out of the box and thinking about what do we love in tire that we want to duplicate, but with something that has no air inside. And we created a revolution in the material by having what we call the CVR, resin embedded fiberglass, that is inside that tire, that is very light. So we can achieve something that is as light as a tire that is full of air, but very strong also. So we have announced a partnership with General Motors, and we are working with General Motors to bring that prototype UPTIS to the market. And today we are targeting to have that on a GM vehicle in 2024. So you will see that on the market on a General Motors vehicle in 2024. As we have in fact in our vision, we see the future of tire being a tire that you don't have to worry about, that will be more sustainable than what it is today. And this is why also last year we announced at Moving On Summit that in the future, by 2050, in fact, 80% of the material that we have in tire will be sustainable material, meaning renewable material made from biosource material, for example. So we are working on a project to be able to create elastomers made from wood, for example, so renewable material. And to have also more recycled material, so more recycled metal, more recycled PET, the polyester, into our tire. So 80% of the material that we use in the future will be renewable and sustainable.